how to create collection in Shopify step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create collection in Shopify step by step for 2025. Shopify collection are a great way to organize your product so your customer can easily find what they are looking for. Whether you are running a clothing store or selling digital product, collection can seriously improve the shopping experience. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create both manual and automated collection, add them into your store, and even style them to match your theme. So before you dive in, here are two quick things you will need a Shopify. First is Shopify plan. Then second, make sure you are logged into your Shopify admin. Now let's talk about first two types of collection. First is manual collection and second is automated collection. If you talk about manual collection, your manual collection choose which product go into the collection. It is great for small and handy pick groups like star packs or holiday special. But if you're talking about large scale, automatic collection can be a great way. Shopify automatically adds product to your collection based on rules and condition you set, like all product tagged as a summer or price above 500, it will automatically go into collection. So we will walk you through both in just a second. So first we will create manual collection. So let's start with manual collection. First, what you have to do is in your Shopify admin, go to product, just simply click on the product, and then from there you have to go to collection and then click on the create collection. In the top right corner you will get the option of that. Now you have to enter the title, then description, and then you will search give a collection type. Now over here you have to search for product. Right now I haven't added any product right now, so what I'm going to do is just simply add some product over here. If you don't know how to add product into your things, so what you can do is go to your okay, wait for a second. Okay, go to your products and go to your inventory. Now you have to click on this go to product, click on the add product. Now what I'm going to do, before I do, I will just simply add all the images into my okay, go into content and go into files. I will upload all the files over here, sorry, all the images which are related to my product. I will just upload over here so I can make product from here. So wait for a few seconds to upload all of these images. So I don't remember the name what are these, so make sure that just for the tutorial I will give product 1, product 2 as a name. So first I will give the product name. You have to make sure that you have added a correct name. So I will just for this tutorial I will add product 1 as a title, then I will give the name. So what I have what I have downloaded, this first product is this one, home gym. This is okay, so I don't know what it is, but let's add some random name, then use AI. So this is related to gym, it is like it is dumbbell, and then click on the generate. So click on the skip. So we have added the description of our product. Now from here, as you can see, I have added the sum of photo. Now I have select from here. Now I will set the price, then I will go and shop location. If you are continue selling when out of stock, continue. If you have this product has SQL, so I will choose this one, shop. Let's talk about the quantity. This is a 50 kg, and add, if you want to add customer information you can add that too. Now let's talk, it's okay, the price is very high, so I'll keep it to this. So okay, so this is the real price and this is where we are selling. Now cost per item is like 500, and the profit and the margin is 50%. Now if you want to choose the default theme, you can choose it. Now from here you can add this tags, like here you can add collection. You can choose the collection if you have created already, so I will just simply add the type of product. You can add product organization detail. Now after doing that, what you have to do is just simply I'm not able to get where I can put all the inventory related things. Okay, click on the save. So wait for a few seconds. This is still loading. So our first product has been added. Let's move to inventory. So from here I can add whatever inventory I want. So okay, this is unavailable. Okay, now in the first I will add some product. Now, as you can see here, I have added four product into my Shopify account. Now let's move to add collection, to add these four product and to make a four product, sorry, to make a collection out of four product. So just simply click on this collection, and then you have to give a collection a title, and then let's say uh, just add over here, which is let's add some gym summer collection, and then you have to write a paragraph. So just I have added this description. Now as you can see here, the already a product has been added over here. So let's add more product. Click on the browse. From here you can add more product. Click on the done. So as you can see here, we have added three products over here. Now next, upload the feature image to visually represent the collection storefront. So click on the add image and select this image. So this is a face image of this collection. So click on the save, and it will automatically save this collection. So yeah, boom, this is how you can create a collection. Let me just refresh. So as you can see here, this is our collection, and in that collection we have three products. Now let's create an automated collection. First, again, go to product and then collection and click on the create collection. So let's move to click on this collection. In the top right corner, you have create collection option. Click on that. After that, you have to give a title. Let's say gym summer 2 collection. Now you have to enter the paragraph. Now in the collection type, as you can see, there is two option. First, which is manually, and the second is smart. In the smart, you have existing and future product. That much the condition you set will automatically be added to this collection. So click on it, and now over here you can filter out from the tag. So what I'm going to do is just simply now set your condition. For example, product tag is equal to shirt, or product type content shirt, or pricing. Let's say take a pricing. If the pricing is greater than 10,000, okay, 10,000, then any condition, okay, this the price is greater than 10,000, this the product will automatically added into this collection. So yeah, this is a smart collection. You can add another collection if you want. So you have a lot of options like variant, title, inventory, stock, weight, compare at price, tag, vendors, category, type, and title. You can filter out. Now just for this example, I will choose this condition and hit the save button. You can give image, but sorry, I haven't added the image. Wait for a few seconds. I will add this image and save it again. So let's move back to our collection. As you can see here, the price is greater than 10,000. The product will automatically go into that. So right now, if you go into our product, maybe there is a issue because I have added the pricing of these product a lot, because this is a 10,000 product. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just change the product pricing from here to 1 lakh. Okay, and then save it and go to collection. As you can see here, simply restart. Maybe it will work now. I don't know why it is not working, but as you can see here, we have got this product. Let's move back to our collection, and as you can see here, this product is got automatically. Let's again change the product pricing from here. Let's make this much and save it. Let's see if it automatically added or not. Go to collection. As you can see here, we have added. Okay, it's not able to adding, but yeah, this is how you can add your product into your collection. So this is how you can create collection from here. So if this video found helpful to you, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.